Opening shot of ingredients on a kitchen counter. Welcome to today's cooking video. Today, we're going to show you how to make creamy and delicious mashed potatoes. Cut to a shot of potatoes being peeled and cut into small pieces. Start by peeling and cutting 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes into small pieces. Cut to a shot of the potatoes being boiled in a pot of water. Then, place the potatoes in a pot of boiling water and let them cook until they're soft and tender. Cut to a shot of the cooked potatoes being drained. Once they're cooked, drain the water and transfer the potatoes to a mixing bowl. Cut to a shot of the mixing bowl with the potatoes. Add 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and a pinch of salt to the bowl. Cut to a shot of the butter, milk, and salt being added to the mixing bowl. Using a potato masher or a fork, mash the potatoes until they're smooth and creamy. Cut to a shot of the mashed potatoes being mixed. If you prefer your mashed potatoes to be a little bit chunky, you can leave a few pieces unmashed. Cut to a shot of the mashed potatoes being served on a plate. And there you have it, delicious mashed potatoes that are perfect for any meal. Closing shot of the mashed potatoes on a plate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes.